You know, so I'm gonna live my life as a single man, do what I want without letting Angela know. I did.
Mike.
Yeah. How are you? Today I'm hanging out with Bode and my other friends, Peter and Ade. Angela doesn't like it, and she's forbidden.
Hey guys, this is the Best Western Plus Bayside Inn, July 9, 2021, San Diego, California. Watch it go. Let's take a tour of this room. Feel it. Chippo. Check it out. Come on. Check it out. Come on.
The last time we hung out, it wasn't really good.
Yeah.
Fight and all that.
Last time I hang with the Goosebumps, they big fight with Angela because Angela feels they don't support
Crapper bathroom.
I never thought Michael would marry her. Because I
Alright.
personally.
This is the Bayview room. The Bayview room. Alright. Shower, all that good stuff.
But this is his personal choice. And I can't go
TV.
against his will. So
Bed.
what's happening?
And you get a private balcony.
I don't think I have a relationship. I and Angela, we had fights. And,
Check it
we
out.
broke up.
Oh,
We are not talking.
Wow.
serious?
Yeah. It's all started doing our two surgeries.
Nice little
What
desk.
surgery?
Weight loss
Charging
surgery and the
ports,
breast reduction
all the
surgery.
electronics.
Breast reduction surgery.
Go outside here. Nice sunset. Looking out towards the San Diego Bay. Ash Avenue. Alright, let's go back in. And that is the Bayview room.
So do you intend to go back to her or it's for good?
I still love my wife. I still love her. But you know, I'm tired.
Alright man, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Watch it go. Get your pull.
We all know you really love Angela. But how are you going to go back into this relationship? Is it as the old Michael or you're going back as a man?